Worldwide, 4 characteristics in particular are in strong demand when it comes to passenger cars: lowest possible fuel consumption and pollutant emissions, an engine that runs quietly yet offers high-performance drive power. Common rail systems from BOSCH help to fulfill these requirements. The Common Rail System CRS 325 is deployed in passenger cars and light utility vehicles of the highest performance class. The system, equipped with piezo injectors, enables extremely quiet-running engines with the desired performance profile to be built. High injection pressures of up to 2,500 bar make it possible to realize downsizing concepts, among other things. This enables the engine to deliver the same performance with lower displacement. That helps to lower fuel consumption and CO2 output without compromising on sportiness. The system is suitable for global fuels. The high-pressure pump CP4-25-2 delivers the fuel to the high-pressure rail, where it is kept ready for injection at an injection pressure of up to 2,500 bar. With its high level of hydraulic efficiency, the CP4-25-2 achieves a delivery rate that fulfills all requirements up to and including light-duty applications. The high-pressure rail HFR-25 serves as a high-pressure storage unit. From the rail, the fuel is supplied to the piezo injectors CRI-325. The opening and closing of the nozzle needle in the injector determines the start of the injection and regulates the following injection process as well as the amount of fuel injected. The piezo injectors operate so quickly that they accomplish up to 8 injections per cycle and also achieve very small pre-injection amounts. They maintain a consistent performance level with reduced flow through the hydraulic nozzle. That contributes to emissions reduction as well as reducing combustion noise. The piezo injector is integrated into the injector casing, making the injector slim and lightweight. Thus, they can be deployed optimally even with limited installation space. The electronic control unit EDC-17 regulates the high-pressure pump and injector function, thus contributing to the high precision of the injection. With the help of the control unit, current and future emission standards such as Euro 6 and Tier 2 Bin 5 can be adhered to. Future system generations with even higher injection pressures will enable an even more substantial reduction in fuel consumption and emissions.